Top. Bulletin Report. Summary. Session duration, ongoing start time, January 5, 2020, 2:37 and 56 seconds p.m. Report info. Report created 2020-05-01T1633:02Z. Report duration 3 days. General system info. Computer name, desktop K4K8LBR. System manufacturer Dell Inc. System product name Inspiron 3521. BIOS date 09/26/2012. BIOS version A02. OS build 18362.1. AMD 64FRE.19. Machine ID, 85. MDM joined, false. Username, Muhammad. User domain desktop, user DN, network adapters. Device, Dell Wireless 1703 802.11 BGN, 2.4 GHz. GUID, current driver version, 3.0.2.201. Driver date, March 26, 2. Dev node flags. Device, Realtek PCIe FE family controller. PNP ID, GUID, current driver date, June 21, 2006. Device, VirtualBox host only Ethernet. PNP ID, GUID, current driver version, 10.